my sweet little munchkins. How are you all doing? Well, today why am I here? To teach you a very interesting activity. And do you want to know what activity we are going to do today? Which festival comes in December? Right, that is Christmas. So December month is all about Christmas and Christmas activities, Christmas decorations, cakes and lots of other fun. So it is so much fun in the whole month of December and I'm already very excited about it. So today we are going to do an activity related to Christmas. Right. But do you have any idea what we are going to do? First, I'll show you what all we need to do so you might guess it. Otherwise, I'll keep it a surprise for you. Okay? So what all we need for this activity is a bulb. We need a bulb for this activity and I am taking a used bulb. This is a used and fused bulb which is of no use for me. So rather than throwing it, I am going to make an art with it. Then we need paint. We need white paint and we need red paint. These are acrylic paints that I am using. Then we would be needing a marker. Of course, if we are doing some painting, so we need some brushes for that. A scissor. We need a red color sheet. Even a small piece of red color sheet would also do. We need a red color sheet. We need glue and we need a googly eyes. We need some googly eyes and yes, definitely we need some spare tissue or a cloth because whenever we do painting, we definitely should keep spare dirty cloth with which we can wipe our brushes. And of course some water. So now what we'll do is we'll start painting first. I would be needing white color paint to paint this and what I'll do is I will cover this whole glass, this whole bulb with white color, but I will leave top part of the bulb. I am not going to color the top part with white color because we are going to color this red. So I am taking a flat brush, flat big brush because it will color fast and it will cover the whole area quickly. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll just take some white paint, dip it in the paint and we will start coloring the whole glass part. We are not coloring the top part but we are just coloring the glass area, right? See, ma'am has already kept it a surprise for you to guess. Till then, if you can guess, you can let me know what we are making. White color paint, red color paint, bulb, googly eyes. Googly eyes definitely means that we are making a figure because we need, where do we stick eyes? We stick eyes only when we have to make a face or some figure. So see, I have covered the whole bulb with white color, okay? And we will wait for it to dry and then we will do the another coating because this one coating is very unfinished. It looks very unfinished, so we are going to do another coating only once it gets dry. Okay, as of now I have done, so I will clean my brush. It is very important to clean your brush. Okay, now I have done my white color. Now I am going to close this bottle. So here I will take the red color paint. See, it hasn't dried yet, but I am just coloring it too. And be careful that your paint should not come on the white part. So you need a base to, where you can keep your bulb and just rotate it and paint it. We will color the whole area with red color. Keep turning it and keep painting it. So once the bottom part gets dry, you can cover the top part also and wait for it to dry. Okay. Now this is what, because I have to show you. So we are going to paint it like this. And what I have done is, I have kept the bulb ready for you. Okay, so see, I have painted this bulb. Now what we need is a red color strip. I've already cut this red color strip, and we would be pasting it on this bulb. We are going to paste it on this bulb like this. So I need to put Fevicol. Quickly, just let's put Fevicol on this. Okay. We are going to paste it like this. And then what we are going to do is, we are going to stick two googly eyes here. We'll put Fevicol, paste the googly eyes. This is 2. And we need to hold it for some time so that it gets stick. Now we'll take a marker and we are going to make a smiley with black color marker. Make a big curve. Okay, a big curve. And what we will do is, we will make circles here at the bottom. We can make one circle, 3 circles, right? And then we will take a little bit of red paint and we will make the nose part. I'm sure you all must have guessed by now that what we are making. Just a little bit, dip it in the paint and hold it, and we are going to make a triangle. What we'll make? A triangle. Ta-da! So can you all see what I have made? Yes. What is this? It's a snowman. Yes. Because I told you it's all about Christmas and winters. We make snowman, we make Christmas tree, and we make a lot of other things. But today we have made a snowman with a bulb. with a used bulb. So it is a recycled art, and we have made a snowman. So I hope you all enjoyed this activity, this painting activity and the recycled art that we made today. And I hope that you're going to do it and share it with Mama and Papa. Show them that what you have made. I hope you all enjoyed.